Welcome back to 90 Cars, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews and insights in the USA. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda Jazz, a sleek and versatile hatchback that perfectly balances style, practicality, and modern technology. The 2025 Honda Jazz carries forward its signature design with a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that gives it a sporty yet sophisticated appearance. The aerodynamic lines not only enhance its visual appeal but also contribute to improved fuel efficiency. The rear showcases sleek LED tail lamps and a wide tailgate for easy access to the cargo space, making it a perfect choice for both urban commutes and weekend getaways. Step inside, and the cabin welcomes you with a clean, minimalist design packed with premium materials. The dashboard features a high-resolution 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving data, while the multifunction steering wheel lets you control music, calls, and cruise settings without taking your hands off the wheel. The 2025 Jazz continues to impress with its magic seats, offering multiple folding configurations to maximize cargo space, whether you need to transport tall items or create a flat load floor. Under the hood, the Honda Jazz is powered by a 1.5-liter iVTEC petrol engine paired with either a smooth CVT automatic transmission or a 6-speed manual gearbox. This powertrain delivers a refined driving experience with a balance of peppy performance and excellent fuel economy, making it ideal for city driving and highway cruising alike. For those seeking even better efficiency, the Jazz also offers a hybrid variant, combining the petrol engine with an electric motor for enhanced mileage and lower emissions. Safety remains a top priority, with the 2025 Jazz equipped with Honda sensing technology, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera. The car also features multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, and electronic stability control, ensuring you and your passengers are well protected on every journey. On the road, the Honda Jazz offers a smooth and responsive ride, with well-tuned suspension that absorbs bumps effortlessly. The steering is precise, making it easy to navigate tight city streets, while the cabin's excellent noise insulation enhances overall comfort during longer drives. In summary, the 2025 Honda Jazz is a smart, stylish, and efficient hatchback that caters to both practicality and driving pleasure. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter, a family car, or a versatile city ride, the Jazz delivers on all fronts. If you enjoyed this in-depth review and want to stay updated on the latest car models and technologies, don't forget to subscribe to 90 Cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.